Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're going to do some Sunburst cards. I first started learning about Sunburst when I watched Jane Dooley's video and made these. And then I saw another blog, her name's Jessica, and there she goes, and made these. So we're going to make those using the Ombre DSP that comes in 6x6. It comes in 4 colors: Rococo Rose and Blackberry Bliss and Granite Apple Green and Bermuda Bay. So today we're going to use the 6x6 Ombre DSP in Blackberry Bliss, and the first step we need to do is cut the 6x6 into 4 pieces, first that are 1.5 by 6, and then after you cut those 4 pieces, cut them diagonally so you get 8, and you're actually going to only use 6 of them, so you'll have some extra to do. Then you're going to get a base card that you're going to glue onto it. That is 5.25 by 4. I'm going to bring in my glue, and we're just going to get started. So just a little glue on the side here, just for the first one. And I'm going to take this first one and line it up the tip to the corner of the card. And it's great with the glue because it'll just keep moving until you're ready. And a little more glue for the second one. And this time, you're going to get the second piece. And this time you want to make sure that this piece here hits the top of the white, so you won't see any white. And it's okay that the tip doesn't touch the end. But just keep scooting it. You can keep playing with it. Moving it around. There we go. Until there's no space in between there. Then you're just going to keep on going until you get to the second one, third one. And this one you want to hit the tip right there. So the end is definitely not going to be at the end of the cardstock. It's going to be right there. Oops. And lining it up again along the piece you just glued down. And then this one's the same thing. You want it to line up to the edge there. It's going to overlap just a bit here. And then the last two, you want to make sure that the white is completely covered. So this one, I'm going to move it over just a bit. And then here. You'll have these two left over. Okay. And then just kind of burnish it a little bit, get that glue in there, and what you're going to see on the other side, lots of excess. So you're just going to take a pair of scissors, and you're just going to start cutting the excess, because you don't need that part. And that's what makes it look like a really fun sunburst. Let's go this way. And this way. A little bit at the edge there. What do you think? Pretty good sunburst? Alright. Then I use the stamps that you can get from Celebration called Darling Donkeys. Put it on a block, and then I stamped it, and I used a couple colors. I used the light and dark gray granite for the body, and then I thought for an accent I'd use the light crumb cake for his nose part and inside his ears. The dark part was for his hooves, so the edge of the tail and his mane. What do you think? I put some dimensionals already on the other side, so I'll take those off. Put them right here in the corner. And then I'm going to use my Snail Plus with the T on the top, so I know where to put the lid. Put some adhesive here. And then I do have a base card that is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4 like the usual, so fitting in A2. And then centering it on there, giving a little white edge on it. T for top, put that back there, and there you go. So what do you think? Love the colors, love the ombre of those. Thank you for letting me share this with you, and have a great day. Bye.